I'm in a 2011 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to show you to use your front and rear defrost. So while the vehicle's on, these would be some of your controls you use. So these two settings here are for your front defrost, and you can also turn this on to heat your mirrors and activate some of that defrost. But basically, the way this front works is it's now controlled by your fan. So this air on these settings is going to blow out of this room right by the glass, so it's blowing onto the glass. With the idea being that with it hot on, it's going to melt any ice that's building up. In this second setting, it also is going to blow heat towards your feet. And even if you got it all the way hot, you might want the AC activated as well, just because that AC system can pull moisture out of the air, so you're avoiding some of the foggy glass that might build up if it gets humid. And when you're finished with this system, you can just turn the fan off, turn this off, and you can always switch it to a different setting as well where it doesn't have the front defrost. For your rear defrost, you just select this to turn it on. And the way the rear defrost works is, if you can see in the camera, there's black lines through the glass, through the rears. Those are a heating mechanism, so when the rear defrost is on, it'll turn those on, so it'll start melting any ice off. And when you're finished with that, just click this again, and while the light's off, the whole system is turned off. And if you're having issues with this working properly, the first thing I would check is your fuses. Potentially a burnt fuse could make some of these buttons inoperable. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.